Here is a Mistral MCFLA ceiling fan installed in my second shed. It's going to stay here. Top canopy was up before, but it's fallen down. It's alright. The switch is not in here. It's actually in here. It does work. This is the one I got from Smash Things 1 a few years ago. So thanks to him for that. I can just stand under it. Yeah, there's the wiring in there. It's in a 3-point connector because otherwise it's a pain to deal with it. The earth, because it's a separate screw. The canopy is broken. I'll be using this thing a lot over the next few years. Down here's a better view of it. I'll put another one over there later on. Nice, well balanced, low speed, I must say. Considering the broken and wobbly blades. So you spent a fair bit of time cleaning up this shed, cleaning up the other one. We're going to have 10 ceiling fans very soon. Looking forward to that special. The cable that goes through is not exposed to the pipe that Dad did for me a fair while ago. Could have moved it over, but that's alright. It's a nice medium, bit fast. Hi. It's nice and fast. Not as wobbly as I thought though. So yeah, I have returned. I will be here all Christmas, uploading more videos, more and more and more. You probably will eventually see another fan there as well. I'm going to turn it off in a sec. There it is on full blast. Side view. It's actually not as wobbly as I thought it would be. I've got some stuff today. It's deader and HPM, but that's irrelevant. The brand is irrelevant because it doesn't really matter. Thanks for watching.